Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm giving Dr. Nihar Sinam and ngasi akhoi si video sida myths about plastic surgery, the false beliefs mayamna thazanaba hainaba chatnaba haitare but wrong information aba aduguma points kara break tawse ngasi kari points no haibado yeminasi. First points na kaino have the plastic surgery say only for phazanaba kenaba that is wrong. Plastic surgery department the plastic surgeon many other reasons or for example accident thoktana pibam kaiba adudo semdokpagi hena normal manaba chatpo orambasu yai natraga congenital deformity khutkazis khutsaga saina samnaba nakong yaudaba chinban kaiba or accident thokpadi nose paigiba khotkiba atopa adumaina problem atai kyano mamgi chatpo orambasu yai or cancer gumba lokthok kanda for example breast cancer the breast se lokthok kanda mastectomy hena operation ama tawra matung the breast reconstruction gumba tawna busi yawi sijuk plastic surgery ki part amani so plastic surgeon ama da chatpa na plastic surgery ama tawre have it's not only kenaba aesthetic purpose katanginate even though aesthetic enhancement se plastic surgery ki yam achowa part amani and atopo huziki reconstruction myam da still aesthetics khali and wound closure ko matauba skin pop khorpa matam da yam care lorga yari gi phazana ban mong the every operation the hone adubudi. Next second point is plastic surgery se nupi khaktangi ne sigi se swaina khanaba mi kya nomam leram gani na khale and dupa myamam leram gani moina moi friend circle da family da ai plastic surgery si ma tok ke kai haiba matam da cosmetic enhancement ma tok ke haiba matam da moina ngangbiram that nupi ki type ta hai ke no adu nupi ki thawang ne nang ke doctor de nupa hai di adu gumba tawai dum khot dum ne hai bu zum yamam leram gani khale but hojikti worldwide nupa kya no plastic surgery tong nei for example yam commonly tong na base liposuction gynecomastia gi breast enlargement tawakanda lokthok na ba and facial rejuvenation kya namu tong nei for example eyelid surgery blepharoplasty nose surgery rhinoplasty and lip reduction gumba zum nupa mayam tong nei commonly kaigino haibada si myam sina self esteem hengatli confidence hengatli aduna masagi well being mental well being jo hengatle aduna sigi plastic surgery haibase females katang da limited or damne males females atopa gender singizu is for everyone myam gi damaktane so not only for females. Third point in plastic surgery is only for rich and famous ne pesha am paiba na famous oiba celebrity gumba katang gi ne so si se ping aida aisu osmain khala me de plastic surgery se lakh crore daga changba thabak ne and yamna kuppa aruba thabak ne but then hozik technology myam hengalakpadagi and techniques ano no lerpadagi options myam am lere government hospital dagi private clinics dagi private hospitals dagi hozik the options myam am lere so everyone gi reach the lay plastic surgery tawba haibaze mi mana id pesa paide id afford tawba ngamoi kholoi haibaze kachu khandraju yare thousands the lay ayamba procedures the and then few procedures khara lakhs the chalam be yai and foreign daga chaladi among hoi khartang na lakhs daga lay gani but ayamba options the ayamba procedures the thousands the lay and even government hospitals to free the tong na busu mayamam yawi. And then the next point is plastic surgery tawru base koigi am obvious oi and plastic surgery tawrure se hegeng bada khangi sikisu wrong belief amane wrong point ne sumaini kasu tawni haba leite plastic surgery se am natural way da tawgadabane and natural way da tawba yai and tawgadabane and changes se kitang subtle oibane hena phai aina thazaba point amale less is more haina plastic surgery cosmetic surgery se less story gai hena kanai hena phai hena less is more hena aduna mi kya no la pya we ina to hena tum han bio hena bhajan bio hena wang hallo mitup se chaun hapo adu myam do aina dum yari gai discourage to discussion tawraga discourage haiga hekta ya no yaroi habadi nate aduisu wari sanaraga sije soidreko sain tawuna pharoidra kharpik pana pharoidra khar natural mamna pharoidra na dum recommend su tawi and discuss su tawi kaigino habada mise for example my am pa enkhalase no se pak pa naton phan bagi operation to boji ka hin na pikhal laga tum halen khalase mi masa yam pa ba mi am gi type ta adudi amuk chanar re aduna khar pikhan ba khar tum han ba hana gi yam phajadraba nose ki shape de khar phajahan ba aduduna best plastic surgery cosmetic surgery oidoine hekta yam tumba nose ama semnaba every time hotnagadaba natte chananaba semgadamne plus magi circle da leba missing na zu hek yengbada operation tawbuzu mandamna phai unnecessarily mina comment tawpa nandi operation tawra male nangi phajathoise operation phajatopane khopane haibaze matam khargi phajaraga magi hek yengbada phajari khalagazu mayamna sum comment tawbu khotpa henjilagadi and operation tawbagi operation tawraga obvious oibado phajadabane kasu phajani habs leite adugo obvious oiraga phajaraga mina sum comment tawragadi magi life quality of life to handarakani aduna hena wakhan nungai tabusi ai so best thing is to make it natural and subtle changes lahenba and masagi facial features atei duga chana hanba. Next point is plastic surgery everything quick fix oide haidi lifestyle se phajana maintain tawdaba chinja kega phataba drugs alcohol smoking guma yam siznaba tobacco yam siznaba sidaisina hakchang sida aging changes lakpa or kinom thijalakpa phajarakta kinom yawba size problem mayam ama ohelaga isagi care watpagi and then plastic surgeon da chalaga size fix tawbion habdo amain he khanbu ziyade because everything tawbe mayam je operation ni and line apirapa body da khara semtok semjin tawbane yam section na scientific way da yam carefully sida any problem ama puthoraga size fix tawo na haibaduzu yade and admain khanbasu kanade ne khale so ai tawning batawge ai care loroige isagi skin care tawroige isagi lifestyle da care loroige mental well being amta care loroige aduga kaigino da yadra kanda si taw lore kaanga hadi some getting kinzasno ai hojikandi hair transplant taw lore aise mai je queen inquisition heng mai facelift taw lore amai khanbaje phate ne khale so mai ju khaloi dabane. Thank you so much for watching this video. Aigi video sida kind of information phangboragadi like button nambiramo so that aina zu feedback ama phangnaba that mayamna yengbada si video se pamnai swain toba video se pami mathang video sembada si gi type semgadra to type ki semgadra adugi idea am su laknaba and mayamna zu habiro kamai toba video pami and atopa kai ki topic ta khangning ba lege and see videos da high point myam sizu yaning ba natraga yaning da ba lega su comments dum takpiro. Thank you so much for watching mathangi video dong thengna se bye and don't forget to subscribe and subscribe tawraga bell icon da mung namaga mathangi video thagala pa matam da notification laknaba. Okay, thank you, bye.